Okay. Now, what are the use? Earth have the Earth's atmosphere have oxygen. This is the lifeline of our Earth, because oxygen is the only gas that is mainly help to survive us in the Earth. Planets, plants and animals both are depend on this gas. What are the uses of atmosphere? So atmosphere, without atmosphere, first we have to know that without atmosphere we can't live on the earth, because oxygen is present in this atmosphere. But without this atmosphere have other some usefulness. Those are: the atmospheres act as a shield around the earth that protects us from the heat that comes from the sun. If this sun, it always gives heat to the earth and the whole solar system. But as the heat comes from the, or the ray comes from the sun, that is covered, that is mainly enters from the atmosphere. The atmosphere help to absorb the main ray or the main damaging ray that comes from the sun, that absorb in the atmosphere. Some are such as ozone layer. Ozone is a layer that helps us by absorbing the rays of the sun, or the damaged ray or the dangerous ray that comes from the sun, that absorb in ozone layer. So ozone layer of the atmosphere or atmosphere also helps us by protecting us from the meteors. What are meteors? Meteors are some rocks-like things or rocks-like particles that roaming around the whole solar system. That whenever it comes to the earth, towards the earth, so the earth can be damaged by the meteors. But as the meteors comes through the atmosphere, so the atmosphere protect us by absorbing its energetic power from the meteors. By absorbing this power from the meteors, it protects us from the damage from the atmosphere. Okay, the radio communication. As we have the atmosphere helps us to radio communication. As whenever you on the radio, you can hear the sound. Where from the sound is come? The sound is come from the radio. In radio station, the reporter or the radio jockey say something. By saying this, they convert them to the radio operation. The radio operator, what does the radio operator do? The radio operator give the radio or give the voice to the radio. The radio waves come to the radio waves around the atmosphere, that is mainly present in mesosphere. In the layer of mesosphere, the radio waves convert the radio waves one portion or one direction to the other direction, and give them to the release them through the earth. So we can hear the radio sound. As we can say, the radio communication is possible because there is atmosphere. The atmosphere is also act as a celestial critical system of life, because without atmosphere plant animals and all the living things can't be possible on the earth. And the other things of this, because nitrogen is also helps us, such as nitrogen, okay, nitrogen also helps us to live on the earth, as it is the protein, it gives us the protein. Oxygen gives us the keeps our breathing system, and other gases are also involved to give us the life present on the earth. Okay, so come to the next point, that is structure of the earth, atmosphere. What is the structure of the atmosphere? Atmosphere, on the base, according to the density and temperature, atmosphere are divided into main 4 parts. What are the 4 parts? Such as it is the part of our earth. Over it there is a layer that calls troposphere. It covers 16 kilometers over the equator and 8 kilometers over the polar areas. So this layer is called troposphere. It is the densest layer of the earth, because most of the particles or most of the composition of the atmosphere present in this layer. Okay, we also live in this layer. As we go upward, just remember the temperature of each layer is decreasing with the height. As we go upward through this, the temperature also comes down, also decreases. So height, what is okay, water vapor and dust particles mainly present in this layer. Above this layer, in this layer the phenomena occur, most of the weather phenomena occur in this layer, such as storm, storms, thundering, cyclone. This type of features or this type of phenomena mainly occur in this layer. Okay. Above this layer, it is the layer of troposphere. Okay. Above this layer, there is also a part that is known as stratosphere. In this stratosphere layer, there is in this stratosphere layer, the layer is mainly covered 11 kilometer to 50 kilometer from the earth sea level. In this layer, in this layer we mainly see the aeroplane, because jet plane mainly go from this layer, that means stratosphere. In this stratosphere layer, the meteors that come from the solar system that burn in this layer and destroy in this layer. As we go upward in this layer, the temperature is increasing. So there is a difference between the stratosphere and the troposphere. In stratosphere, we had learned that in stratosphere, as we increase the height or elevation, the temperature is decreasing. But in this stratosphere, as we increase the height, the temperature is increasing. So there is a difference between stratosphere and troposphere. Okay, come to the next point. I'm going to erase this. Above this layer, there is also a layer that is known as mesosphere. Mesosphere. This layer is from 50 to 80 kilometer above the sea level. In this layer, we can see, in mesosphere, we can see radio waves that I had told you about, radio waves that reflected in this layer and comes through the earth. In this layer, we can also see that the meteors burn, the meteors burning part that totally destroy in this layer. As we increase the height from the sea level, the temperature is decreasing with the height in mesosphere. And you have to remember that mesosphere is the coldest layer of the earth, coldest layer of the atmosphere. So just remember that mesosphere is the coldest layer of atmosphere. Okay, above this layer there is also, we can see a layer that is thermosphere. It is from 80 kilometer to 600 kilometer above or over the earth. In this thermosphere, the thermosphere is you have to remember that thermosphere is the hottest layer of the earth, because most of the sun rays or sun power is absorbed in this layer, and that makes it the hottest layer of the earth. This layer is divided into two parts. One is ionosphere, which is the lowest part of the thermosphere, and the upper part of the thermosphere is known as exosphere. So what are the composition, or what are the features of these layers? Ionosphere is the layer where the radio waves are reflected, and the exosphere is the upper portion of the thermosphere. In this layer, that means in exosphere, the atmosphere filtered radiation from the sun. Various gases that comes from the sun that are mainly filtered in this layer, and the harmful objects or harmful rays of the earth is destroyed in this layer. Okay, come to the next point, that is the ozone layer. So what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is the layer